Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the one and only Kentucky Yankee. And the reason I'm hanging out here chilling in my room is because it's raining really hard outside on that metal roof and it makes all kinds of noise. And I don't want that for you guys. Listen, I took that car off recently, that car that I took the doors off of and brought it to the scrapyard. That gave me an opportunity to use my action cam, to practice with it because I'm still not used to this thing. So I mounted it to this hat and it worked out. It worked out really well. It's nice and sturdy and steady on there and worked out well. But one of the things I had trouble with was knowing whether or not the camera was on or off because it comes with this little remote. But what I kept having to do was use this mirror to know if it was on or off. Anyways, when I filmed this, it was raining out and rain kept getting on the lens, and I kept drying it off. I did the best I could for you guys, and I did learn a lot. I'll explain more at the end of the video. For now, let's just roll film. So here I go off over the hill. My big tractor has a dead battery. I really need to get a new one. But for this time, I jump started it. Things I learned from making this video. One thing is, you really need a mic. If you're going to use an action cam and you want to speak while you're filming, you have to have a mic. That's a must. Unless you're just going to put music in the background like I did on this one and kind of fill it in with narration, if you will, so to speak. Another thing I would do is not bobble my head around so much, you know, because it makes it so shaky and stuff. So I guess you need to be conscious that you have a camera mounted on top of your head and kind of maybe just slow down, you know, because I think it would be more pleasant to the eyes when you're watching these videos. Lastly, if it wasn't raining, I would have did this anyways. But I think it'd be great just to have another camera to get another view of what you're doing. So like I'm on the tractor putting along, driving along, you know, so you see me driving it, and then you can have another view of the tractor and me on it, you know, scooting along. Anyhow, thanks for your patience and allowing me to learn about this camera a little bit and continuing to watch my videos. I hope if you're not a subscriber, you will subscribe, hit the like button, all that good stuff. We'll see you next time.